Hi everyone, it's Molly. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my art channel. I had a little bit of a switch up in the series that I was doing. So I showed the client the ocean piece that I did and they loved it. And they decided instead of doing different techniques, they wanted that technique for all of the pieces. And they're adding in another location. They're adding in Chicago. They already had the color palette picked out for what reminded them of Chicago, and I'll show it to you in the video. I am so excited about this color palette. I really like it. I cannot wait to do this one. I'm really excited about it, so let's paint. All right, hello everyone. Hope you're doing well. So this all got a little bit revised. This is part of the series that was going to be the ocean, the mountains, and the desert, but they actually decided they want 4, and it's gonna be the ocean, the mountains, the desert, and Chicago. So they gave me, these are just places that they've been. So they gave me the color palette, and I actually love this color palette. Now this is a color that I believe it was scraped off my table, so this was already just pre-mixed there. It's from some purples and pinks and a little bit of blue. It's like a mauve color. I've got sky blue. I've got this beautiful green color that I made out of yet another green that I had just mixed together, and some phthalo blue. And I've got my white, my Paynes gray, and they had gray, but I'm gonna use silver for a little bit of metallic in there. So I'm gonna be doing, and they decided, so originally we had said that we were just going to do, that we were gonna do a blowout, a straight pour, and a swipe, but they really liked the blowout, and they decided that they wanted the whole thing to be the blowout. So that is what I'm gonna do, and I am gonna pour these kind of all along. And I'm hoping that I have enough paint for this. So I'm gonna do, I think, my blue color next. And I am gonna blow towards the sides, so I don't have to worry as much about that. All right, now I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do all my blues and greens and then come in with the mauve over top. And I may need, oh, I don't think I have any more. Okay, that's starting to look like it's a good amount. And I am layering them over top of one another. I don't want my green to get completely lost is my issue. Let me see if I've got any more. I really wanted this light blue. Let me see if I've got any more. Nope, I don't. So, all right, so now I'm gonna come in with the silver. This will be enough paint. Oh, I didn't want my silver just to be on the side. So if my silver, all my silver was just here on the side, I'm just gonna blow it off. All right, I might add just a little bit of silver straight through here. Okay, and then a little bit of the white. Now again, remember the white is what's gonna react with these. And I might actually drizzle just a little bit more blue over this as well for contrast. I'm so used to having my larger cups. These are like little, I think they're 7-ounce cups. And I'm so used to having my bigger cups so that I can, Okay, well, it wouldn't be a Molly video if I didn't, completely do something I was not planning to do. All right, let me pop these air bubbles. So these paints have sat for a few days, and I have now noticed that there aren't a lot of air bubbles. And sometimes I get so excited. Felt like there was something there. Maybe not. I think it's just actual paint. I get so excited and I want to paint right off the bat, and then I have a ton of air bubbles that change the way my painting looks when I pop them. So, all right, I'm gonna just blow this out. I'm gonna do it the same way as I did for the ocean. All of these will be the same way. I'm gonna blow, but I'm not just gonna blow straight out. I'm gonna blow back inward some on some. I really like this color combination. I think it's really pretty. The only little, I'm not gonna mess with it though. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna fix my sides. Let me torch and see if anything else comes up. I know the silver will create some fun designs and bubbles. I love the kind of just chaotic feel of it. The colors worked absolutely perfect together. I'm probably gonna blow just a tiny bit inwards. This harsh line right here is what's bothering me. But other than that, I'm gonna leave this. I think it's gonna dry amazing. I'm gonna fix my sides. Stick around and I'll show you the wet result. All right, let me take you in for close-ups. I think this piece is really cool. It's got a lot of motion to it. The color combination, chef kiss. Would never have thought to use that green and that mauve together, but it works. I think it's so pretty. That's my favorite part, and I'm so glad that's in the center. I love that silver there, and I love that big blue, dark blue streak. That's the one thing, is I wish that this one kind of carried a little bit further down. I just blew that together and torched it to make it, break it up just a little bit. That was that piece that I said I was gonna do. And then down here, beautiful cells. And I think the blues are gonna dry a little bit darker, and I think this is gonna be really nice. So I will show you the dried result. All right, here we go. I'll start at the top. I love the striations that happened up there. And it's very bold towards the top with color, and then it gets a little bit more muted as you go down. And the green really pops through kind of more at the bottom. And I did try to make sure that I had a little bit of that mauve color running almost all the way through it. But this is just up close. You can see some of the details. I like this down here that happened. That right there. But I think it looks really interesting and super abstract, and it's so long it's hard to get it in frame. But I'll show you this along with the ocean one that I've done so far. So I'm standing back here, but there are two of them together, and then I still have the desert one and the kind of wintry type mountain one to do. So really happy about these and super excited about this kind of nature location set idea. But there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.